In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use labels in Todoist, a simple feature that lets you tag your tasks so you can group and find them no matter which project they live in. Labels are like little keywords you attach to a task. You might tag things as email, home, or errands, and then pull up everything with that label in a single click whenever you're ready to tackle it. Let's dive right in. I'm here on my Today view, and the first thing I'll do is click the Add Task button near the top of the screen. This opens up a fresh task field where I can type out whatever I need to get done. Now here's the part that makes labels so quick. Instead of digging through menus, I can add a label right inside the text as I type. I'll write out my task, and then I'll type the @ symbol followed by my label name. As soon as I type that symbol, Todoist pops up a little menu suggesting labels, and I can either pick an existing one or create a brand new label right on the spot. Once my task and label look right, I'll press enter to save it. And just like that, you can see the task appears in my list with the label attached, shown in that soft accent color right beside it. From here, finding everything with that label is easy. Your labels live under filters and labels in the sidebar, and clicking any one of them shows you every task carrying that tag across all your projects. It's a fantastic way to cut across your lists by context instead of by project. That's really all there is to it. By tagging your tasks as you create them, you build a flexible system that keeps related work connected. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.